everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to factorize this following expression. I'm going to use either the cross chart or the multiplication frame. Okay, so the cross method require us to use or put our values or terms as such. Negative 6 is here, 5x is here, 6 can be 1 times 6, 2 times 3. My objective now is to try to place it here such that it will give me a 5x at the end. Let's try 3x times 2x. Aha! If I have a 3 here and a 2 here as well, I will get 9x and 4x. And because there is a negative sign here, one of them must be the negative. 9 minus 4 will give me a positive 5, right? So this will be my negative part. And my answer is as such. Okay, so the answer 3x minus 2, 2x positive 3. That's using the cross chart method. Well, using the multiplication method, then this is how it will be presented. Still multiply, but now I will have to place my 6x squared here, my negative 6 here. Okay, so again, 6 will be either 1 times 6 or 2 times 3. So if I have a 3x multiplied by 2x to give me 6x squared here, I then need to think, how could I do to get this 5x positive? Now, if I put 2 here, this will give me 4x. 2 times 2x will give me my 4x. So I will have a 3 here. And so here will be 9x. Because 3 times 3. The next thing to consider is how do I get positive 5? Because I got a negative here. Either the 2 or the 3 is negative. 9 minus 4. So this must be the negative. Okay? And so the same answer and the same result as the previous one. Okay, probably I use green blue color. So this is the result. So the answer, which is the same, 3x minus 2, 2x and a positive 3. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.